Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, where we explore practical ideas shaping modern maintenance teams. I'm Bruce, and today we're talking about something that quietly drives uptime, cost control, and technician productivity: work order planning. Joining me is Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert with deep experience across Industry 4.0 initiatives and data-driven maintenance programs. Alex, great to have you here.
Thanks, Bruce. Happy to be here. Work order planning is one of those areas where small improvements can create a big operational impact.
Absolutely. Most teams raise work orders every day, but planning often feels rushed. Why is planning such a critical part of the process?
Because without planning, a work order is just a reaction. Proper planning clearly defines what needs to be done, how the job will be executed, who is responsible, what tools or spares are required, and when the work should happen. When these details are missing, technicians spend time waiting for parts, searching for information, or clarifying scope. That lost time increases downtime, extends mean time to repair, and pushes maintenance costs higher.
So the biggest cost isn't the repair itself, it's the inefficiency around it.
Exactly. In many industrial environments, technicians can lose up to 30 or 40% of their productive time because work isn't planned properly. A well-planned work order acts like a roadmap. Just like aviation or construction, maintenance performs best when execution follows a clear and structured plan.
Now let's bring technology into the picture. How do IoT and AI change the way work orders are planned?
They shift maintenance from reactive to predictive. IoT sensors continuously track asset conditions such as vibration, temperature, pressure, and runtime. AI and machine learning analyze those patterns to detect early signs of failure. Instead of responding to breakdowns, systems can trigger condition-based or predictive work orders with the right priority and context. This supports Industry 4.0 principles and aligns strongly with Six Sigma and Kaizen, where decisions are driven by data and continuous improvement.
That sounds powerful, but also complex. How should teams begin?
The key is building discipline before adding sophistication. When work orders are standardized, asset history is captured accurately, and planning becomes a routine practice. Technology simply enhances what's already working.
Before we wrap up, what's one message you'd leave with our listeners?
Treat work order planning as a strategic maintenance activity, not administrative overhead. Every well-planned job reduces downtime, improves technician efficiency, and extends asset life. Planning the work is what enables teams to work the plan.
Perfectly said. Alex, thanks for sharing your insights. And to everyone listening, thanks for tuning in to Cryotos Maintenance Management. Subscribe for more conversations on smarter maintenance and operational excellence. Until next time, keep your assets running strong.